Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to solve bad breath. Keep watching. So as always, if you find this video useful, make sure you drop a like and check out my channel for more videos like this. I do mind and body videos. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So there are few things that you have to do to have better breath. So first thing is, I know this is kind of obvious, but brush your teeth 2 times a day and brush them before you're going to bed. So you have the nice evening meal and you brush your teeth and go to sleep with clean teeth. So this is just one, but if you do just that, it may not help you. So one of these will help you. Make sure you do them. So the second thing is drink enough water throughout the day, right? So drink about 2 to 2.5 liters of water per day, and make sure you constantly, have the water bottle near you and you taking a sip, you know, every, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes. The third thing is to floss. And yeah, this is also because when you have the bacteria on your tongue, which is the next thing, tongue cleanser. So if you have a tongue cleanser and you scrape it off of your tongue, that bacteria might go in between your teeth and the smell might be coming from your teeth. So make sure you floss regularly. And as I said right now, buy a tongue cleanser, right? And scrap, in the morning and in the evening. It's wow. It's a great product. I would have to recommend you to buy that. And this is the special recipe which I'm going to show you in a bit. So it's so simple. You literally need like three household items to make this recipe, and you can drink it after you gargle it. It's so delicious and it boosts your immune system actually, and it kills your bacteria in your throat, and it gives you really nice, really beautiful breath. It's really awesome how it works. So this is the special recipe that I've used for a couple of weeks now. It's awesome. So so these are all the household items. So grab uh, half of the spoon of the cinnamon powder, right? It's like a large spoon, the one you eat soup with. So put that in a little container, right? Take a half of the spoon of the cinnamon powder and put it in the container. Next, take your honey, grab half of the spoon of the honey and mix it with the cinnamon. And you will see that you will get some kind of a thick layer of cinnamon and honey. And I would now recommend you to take a small glass of water, of hot water, and pour it on the cinnamon and honey and just mix it all together. And you will see the cinnamon powder will start to come in larger pieces, so you have to like make it all disappear with the fork or something, right? And then you can either use one big lemon or two smaller lemons, and just make the lemon juice out of two lemons and mix it with the cinnamon, honey, and water. And once you've done that, put it in a fridge for a few hours, and you can do this either in the morning or in the evening. I would recommend you to do this in the morning because you set yourself throughout the day to have an awesome breath. So what you want to do is take the the liquid that you just created and just pour a small amount into the glass. And once you've done that, take a sip of the of that liquid of cinnamon, honey, water, and lemons, and just pour it in your mouth and start to gargle for about 15 to 20 seconds. It would be a nice timing, right? 15 to 20 seconds. And once you've done that, you can swallow it, right? It's so freaking delicious. You will see, you will not regret this. And it's so It's so delicious and it boosts your immune system, right? And it gives you like a little boost in energy, and it's good for the breath. And just take a few 2 to 3 sips, just gargle it for 15 to 20 seconds, and just do it. It's so simple, it's so amazing how it works. And make sure you do the previous steps, brush your teeth morning, evening, maybe after the lunch, maybe 3 times a day, and drink enough water. Don't forget that. And yeah, this is a special recipe. Make sure you do them all together. That will work the best for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video if you find it useful. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. As always, check out my channel for more videos like this. And yeah, I will see you next time. Goodbye. Have a great day. Peace.